Here's how you can find your resume on Indeed. So if you don't know where you can find it, or if you cannot locate your resume at all, then these are the simple steps that you can follow to locate it or to find it. So first things first, you're gonna head over to your Indeed.com, and then from here, you're gonna make sure that you're signed into your account or you already have an account created. Now from your dashboard, you're just gonna head over to the top right corner of the screen, and then you're gonna click on this profile icon right here. Now once you click on that, a drop-down menu will appear, and you're just gonna have to click on profile. Now, from your profile page, you're just going to scroll down a little bit until you see this resume section. Now, once you're on the resume section, you're just going to have to enter your resume right here, or if you don't have any resume available yet, you will be able to see and upload a resume right here or build a resume with Indeed. But if you already have a resume uploaded, then you will be able to see your resume right there. Now, if you just click on that, then you will be able to see the entire inclusions or like the entire content of your resume. And that's it. That is how you're going to locate or to find your resume on Indeed. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.